Salam, in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. As Muslims, we believe that this world is temporary, and the true life awaits us in the hereafter. Allah has promised the believers a place of eternal bliss and luxury, which is Jannah paradise. In this video, we will explore the descriptions of the luxury life that awaits the believers in Jannah. As mentioned in the Quran and Hadith, may Allah grant us all the ability to understand and benefit from this video, and may He guide us to the path of righteousness that leads to Jannah. Ameen. In Islam, Jannah paradise is described as a place of eternal bliss and luxury that awaits the believers who lead a righteous life in this world. The Quran Majid and Hadiths describe Jannah as a place of unimaginable beauty where there will be no pain, suffering, or sadness. Here are some descriptions of the luxury life that awaits the believers in Jannah. Number 1. Palaces and gardens. The Quran Majid describes Jannah as a place of palaces and gardens where believers will reside in mansions made of gold and silver. The gardens will be adorned with trees, fruits, and flowers of all kinds, and streams of water that never go stale or change in taste. Number 2. Delicious food and drinks. The Quran Majid describes the fruits of Jannah as being of every kind, with the believers having the freedom to pick and choose whichever they please. The believers will also have access to the purest and most delicious drinks, including milk, honey, and wine that does not intoxicate. Number 3. Beautiful companions. The Quran Majid mentions the presence of hurs in Jannah, who are created by Allah for the pleasure of the believers. These companions will be pure and beautiful, and will be adorned with fine clothing and jewelry. Number 4. Beautiful clothing and jewelry. The Quran Majid describes the clothing of the believers in Jannah as being made of silk and adorned with gold bracelets. The believers will also have access to the most beautiful and valuable jewelry, including pearls and rubies. Number 5. Entertainment and leisure. The Quran Majid mentions that the believers in Jannah will be able to enjoy all kinds of entertainment and leisure activities without any fear of harm or consequences. They will be able to relax and enjoy the beauty of Jannah with no worries or stress. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, also described the luxury life of Jannah in many hadiths. In one hadith, he said, in paradise, there are things that no eye has seen, no ear has heard, and no mind has conceived. This shows us that the beauty and luxury of Jannah are beyond our imagination. In conclusion, the descriptions of luxury life awaiting in Jannah are a reminder for us to strive towards pleasing Allah and earning His pleasure in this world and the hereafter. We must strive to live a righteous life, follow the teachings of Islam, and seek Allah's forgiveness and mercy. May Allah grant us all Jannah and protect us from the hellfire.